Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will talk about list, dictionary, and comprehensions. Okay, let's turn on our code editor, cd YouTube things, and then cd Python. During some reason, I need to turn off the video. In last lecture, I will. Uh, what would I say? I will re-describe the things. Okay, let's start with a story. Imagine you are a student who is learning Python for first time. As usual, you are. I hope you are learning Python first time from me, and you already know loops, list, and dictionaries. I already teach about loops. I didn't till now explain about list and dictionaries. Well, I will do it later, no problem. Okay, and you write this simple code. Okay, remove this for now. You write this code. Okay, but it's work perfectly. It just multiply the values. Okay, like I into I. Mean first one is 1, second one is 4, third one is 9. This type of output you will receive. uh, you print this, you write code like this, but your senior developer just look at your code and said good, but it not very Pythonic type of code. Okay, you can ask me, what does the Pythonic ever mean, right? That's where comprehensions comes into the story. uh, Python is designed to be readable, expressive, and elegant type of language. Okay, and comprehensions are one of the most powerful example of this philosophy. What is comprehensions? Okay, let me explain you in a professional way first. Then we will discuss about more. In compact way, to create a new list or dictionary by applying logic to an irritable form. Okay, comprehension just means that a I will repeat this. Okay, a compact way to create a new list or dictionary by applying logic to an irritable form. It in simple words, you loop, you transform, and you store the result in one line simple code. Okay. uh, Python support two type of comprehensions. One is list comprehension, one is dictionary comprehensions. First, here you can see a list comprehension, example of comprehensions. No, sorry, this is the traditional way. Okay, this is the traditional way. Now we will talk about the list comprehension way. Okay, what's actually happening this, let me explain. This line will create an empty list, and that will store the results. Okay, second is it will take 1 to 9. Okay, generate number 1 to 9, and I takes one value at a time, and the last line will calculate the square of I, and it will append to the list. This is a correct way to write the code, but this is not a verbose or too many steps to for a simple task. We use Python for simplify our code, not to be complex, right? If we need to find the squares, we can do something like that. Okay, it's automatically this give me a auto suggestion. What it's happening in here, you can simply see the logic. It's a list, and here we counting the same things here, and here is the loop. So we can write the 3 lines of code in one line. Okay, I into I is doing the expression, and it decide what will be the stored in the list. And for I in range 1 to 10 will this is the loop, and as like the same loop before, it take value from the range and apply I into I and store result in the list. Okay, Here is I will give you a simple mental memory. For every I in range 1 to 10, put I into the list. Okay, it's the simple mental memory game or mental memory trick to do squares in one line and a professional way. Let's do some exercise. Okay, suppose I take a example of names array, Alice, Bob, David. Okay, and we can do the same thing with list comprehension, and you guys can see the output will came into the uppercase because we are using the uppercase function. We are getting the name from here, and uh, using uppercase function for each will be print as a uppercase form. If you can't believe, let's print uppercase names python 3 list comprehension list. You can see we are getting everything in uh, uppercase. Okay, we can do the same thing with type conversion. Let me do the same thing also. My table is not balanced yet, so it's jumping, so you will get some extra useless noise, so please ignore that. Suppose we can take numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and int. Okay, uh, we can take it into a string format. Okay, 4 to 5. Okay, int numbers is equal to not numbers. Okay, numbers for any numbers. Wait, I am being confusing. For int. Okay, just a minute. Print int numbers. Maybe it will work. Just here the n is here for loop iterative, and numbers are getting numbers, and it will convert into int number. Okay, why this matters? Okay, sometimes we get some API response as strings. Okay, we need to classify that, or we need to arrange that in different format, like sometimes we need string format, sometimes we need integer format, sometimes we need character format, sometimes we need boolean based. So that time we need this. Okay, we need this type conversion. Here n is string number. Okay, and int n converts to integer from string. This int n is converting this string to a integer. Okay, and store in a new list. If we print this, you can see this in a list order. Okay, not in a and if you want to see the type of, you can use type of type maybe. Okay, let's see list format, but in a integer order. Okay, this is a list format, but the values are in here is integer. Okay, how long is the video now? It's 9 minutes. Okay, we can do list comprehension with conditions. as well. Okay, let's try. Suppose you are filtering data where user above age 18, even numbers and valid emails. What will you do? Conditions are in everywhere. Okay, so you need to focus on the if else conditions and logic building as well. uh, let's let's write the code. Okay, suppose we take a variable called events, and then take a list I for I in range 1 to 11. Let's say if I is modulus by 2 is equal to 0. I think it will work. Suppose here for I in for this section is loop 1 to 10. Okay, this logic interlogic will uh, this condition will only for even numbers, and store the I will store the value itself. Okay, and Python ignore the odd numbers silently in this case. Okay, if you want you can print that, and I am 100% sure the code will be in working condition. Just imagine we are writing as writing a code on if else condition inside the list. For, this is for mm, mm, uh, what will the variable name here? Suppose res. Okay, equal to even if range, let's say 5. Okay, I will not increase it a lot. The theory here is here you can see the two types of if in the compression. Okay, uh, yes, uh, two type of if in the comprehensions, like filtering if after the loop, and conditional expression if else before the loop. Okay, line by if I say line by line from even to this odd. Okay, decides what value will store, and for a and this section will this loop will run normally. Okay, and the output will uh, even odd even odd even, this type of output we can expect. So let's print res even odd even odd even. Okay, we can do the let's make it little complex. Okay, let's move into nested if else in list comprehensions. Okay, suppose what will I say, let's do a interview favorite task. Okay, matrix is equal to 1 to suggestion 5 6. Okay, bus enough. Flat or race, no, I can't take race. Flat will the perfect way to um, Okay, I think it will work. Okay, num for num in matrix for num in row. Okay, it will work. Here row will each in a list, and the number will the each number. Okay, uh, and store will and store sorry num will store the flat list. Okay, num will store in the flat this flat list. Okay, if we run the code, okay, let me save the code first, and then we will run the code. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, in a flat order in matrix. Okay, this is a favorite what will I say, favorite question in interview, in is basically in first round. Okay, uh, let's took this video till now, because after that I will explain the dictionary comprehension. You guys will practice these things. If you guys have any type of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I will help you to clarify your doubt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.